Best Small Sport Sedans for 2024-2023 Lexus IS 500. The 2023 Lexus IS 500 emerges as a standout contender in the small sports sedan segment, combining refined performance, luxurious comfort, and advanced technology to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. As the latest addition to Lexus IS lineup, the IS 500 represents a bold leap forward, offering enthusiasts a potent blend of power and sophistication. At the heart of the 2023 Lexus IS 500 lies a robust naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing an impressive 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive configuration, the IS 500 delivers exhilarating acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the IS 500 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, offering performance that excites at every turn. However, the IS 500 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Lexus engineers have meticulously tuned the IS 500 suspension, chassis, and steering to provide precise and responsive handling, enabling drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with confidence. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the IS 500 offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 exudes an air of sophistication and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, an aggressive front grille, and LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The IS 500's sporty appearance is further enhanced by 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and F-Sport-specific styling cues, which add to its dynamic presence. Inside the cabin, the IS 500 offers a luxurious and technology-forward environment designed to elevate the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, aluminum trim, and ambient lighting create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Lexus Infotainment System, Digital Cockpit, and Mark Levinson Premium Sound System provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 sets a new standard for performance and luxury in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the IS 500 offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Whether cruising along the highway or attacking twisty backroads, the IS 500 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.